Today Luby is relaxing in the garden watching the cows. Then he saw a bird flying.
Oh. Wow! Wow, it looks like there are lots of fruit on the tree. Oh. I have to climb up the tree to get it.
Luby managed to climb up the tree to get the fruit.
I have to take this fruit. Finally, I succeeded.
Yes, Lubis has succeeded in picking the fruit. Now is the time for Lubis to come down.
I have to take this fruit home.
Luby will immediately bring the fruit using his truck to take it home. Finally, Luby finished loading the fruit into his truck.
Wow!